I'm sure many of you have seen headlines of Pump.Fun tokens making people a lot of money, and you may be sitting back and asking yourself, how do I deploy these coins? Well, I'm here to show you exactly how to go from point A to point B in under 5 minutes. Hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Compass, your guide to everything crypto. Today I'm going to show you how to deploy your very own Pump.Fun token. And just a little background on Pump.Fun, it's basically a website where you can deploy Solana tokens. You have the ability to name your token, add a description, and even a picture, and put in minimum money to deploy the coin. The whole model of Pump.Fun is the idea of people getting in that coin early and allowing that coin to eventually graduate onto a decentralized exchange. In layman's terms, you can think of it like drop shipping, where the concept is you don't need a lot of money to get started and you're using money from other areas to boost up your product, or in this case, bring up your token. Now, Pump.Fun has gained popularity over the last couple of years as it is the main place where people trade low cap coins. And to get started, you need a wallet. This wallet will give you access to the blockchain and give you the ability to store your assets on there. The most popular Solana wallet is Phantom, and that's because the UI is super simple and it's very easy to use. You can compare this to other big wallets like MetaMask and you can see how the popularity differs. Phantom also has the ability to trade across other chains like Ethereum, for example. The first thing that you need to do is go to the Phantom website, and I will be dropping all of the links in the description below. You have the ability to download it as a desktop version, but I'm doing it just as a Chrome extension, and that's just because it makes it easier and it's all within the browser. I would highly recommend Chrome over other browsers like Safari or Firefox. After downloading Phantom, you're going to create a brand new wallet. You will then be prompted to add your email followed by a 4-digit PIN. Next, you will create a brand new password, and make sure to note this password down and don't let anyone have access to it. All of these security steps are super important because you don't want anybody compromising your wallet. After setting your password is the most important step, and that is getting your recovery phrase. This is a 12-word phrase that gives you access to your wallet. So let's just say, for example, your computer breaks and you no longer have access to this wallet. You can still go on to another computer and input this phrase, and that would basically set up your existing wallet on that new computer. But please exercise caution because anyone who has access to these 12 words has access to your wallet. In my opinion, the best practice is to write these 12 words down on a piece of paper and lock it up in a safe. I would not recommend that you save this phrase as a document on your computer or your phone because you never know if anyone can get access to those devices. And after the step, you will be completely done and ready to use your brand new wallet. Now you want to be able to load up your wallet with Solana, and since we are on that network, that will be the native coin used for transactions and gas fees. Phantom has integrated a buy option within the wallet when you go into Solana, so you can buy it directly from there. But do remember, you will probably have to KYC, which is the process of verifying your identity with personal information. Now don't be alarmed, as this is a normal step even with exchanges like Coinbase. And speaking of Coinbase, if you already have an account, then you can buy Solana on there and send it to your new wallet. All you need to do is grab your address at the top of the Phantom wallet and make sure that you're sending the tokens there. Now you can go ahead and head over to the Pump.Fun website, which I will also put in the description below. And at first look, it may seem very confusing because everyone is dropping coins almost every second. The goal here is to filter out that noise and only focus on legit projects if you're planning planning on trading. But we are not here to discuss that. We are going to deploy our very own coin. Like I was saying before, the goal of Pump.Fun is to have a fair launch, which gives anyone the ability to buy or sell the token when it's first created. The first thing you need to do on the website is go to the connect wallet option on the top right hand side of the website, and after selecting that, you will see an option for Phantom where you can connect your wallet. Go ahead and click Phantom and then click confirm. But before doing so, make sure that you are on the correct website, because you never want to connect your wallet to a malicious site. That is another way to grant others access to your wallet so that they can compromise it. Now, after confirming your connection, you will see your account on the website, and then if you go to the main page, you will see a start a new coin option, and from here we can begin creating our coin. First, you have an option of adding a name to the coin as well as a ticker. Now, this can be as creative as you want, and a lot of times the greater the creativity, the more volume that comes into this coin. Sometimes people relate the name and ticker, or sometimes it's completely different. The name is the actual name of the token that you're giving, but the ticker is the symbol that people look up when they're ready to buy. And after that, you can add a description just telling people exactly what this coin is, or maybe what function it provides. You don't necessarily have to go into detail here, but if you do have utility, you might as well explain it. And then you have the ability to upload an image that's going to represent your coin. And finally, you have the option to add socials, and this could be Telegram, X, or your own website. It's always good to have some kind of social presence so people can get constant updates on the project. Now you can create your coin, and you have the option to buy a certain amount of the supply. It's always best to buy a fair and smaller portion, because people won't buy into a coin where the dev has most of the holdings. And this step is completely optional. You don't have to own any coins. But then again, if you don't own anything, then you won't make profit when the coin goes up. And after that, you can create your coin and then confirm it in the wallet after paying some fees. And now your coin is all deployed and ready to go. And if it reaches a certain market cap, then you will get it bonded onto a DEX. And if it bonds, then you will receive 0.5 Solana. And from here, it's all up to the community and amount of people that buy in. So as of this point, you have to do nothing at all and wait for the attention to come in. And this concludes my full tutorial on how to launch a Pump.Fun coin. And if you're trying to learn more about this process, or maybe other processes going on in the space, then reach out to me and I can get you set up in my coaching program. I will sit down with you one-on-one and explain each of these steps. And let's not forget that I'm putting videos out like this every single week. So if you like what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell button so you don't miss another one of my videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.